Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll learn an important topic, range function in Python. Range function, for example, expresses like this: range, then how many elements we want to print. In this range 10, we will get 0 to 9, 10 numbers. It will start from 0 and end at 9. If it is 100, it will start from 0 and ends 99. We should use range inside list. Now express it with a variable number. Num equal to list range 100. Now if we print num, then we'll get a list of, let's make it a smaller, 10. We will get 0 to 9, 10 numbers. We can print the range value print, for example, we can start from 4 to, we want to print from 4 to 10. So the starting number and the ending number. Now if we print it, we will get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we want the interval 2, then it will print 4, 6, 8, 10. It will increase the number with 2. So this is very important function, range function. We will use it almost every development with Python. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and continue watching.